Hi everyone, I hope you guys are fine. Today I'm going to show you how to make the magic ring. Sorry for that. And so how to start making a magic ring is grab your yarn. For this tutorial I'm using the 3 strand to make it more visible to you, to slightly bigger. And then I'm using the hook number 3.5. Okay, so what you need to do is grab your yarn and then making round like that, and then make sure this is not too tight, so it's a slightly loose, so it's enough for your hook to go inside, and then pull it the first one. And then remember to grab the one on the back, the longer tail, with your other finger. Okay, so what you need to do is insert your hook and then pull it through like that, and then grab the one on the back to that, so your magic ring is ready. Voila, like that. Okay, and then you continue doing your next step, which is you can start with the chain 1 and then doing the single crochet, or you do double crochet, or you do the triple crochet. It depends on which project do you do. So you do the chains, the number of chain as you wish, and then after that you close it with a slip stitch, and then you pull it through. So for this demonstration I will try to make like maybe 4 single crochet, 2 or 3 and 4, or maybe 6, so slightly bigger, 6 single crochet. So 1 2 3 4 5 and then 6. Okay, and then before I close it I will pull through the magic ring to make it tighter, and then I slip stitch to the first stitch. As mentioned, I do the 16, so I should counting from the first, second, third, fourth, fifth and the 6th, so I should slip stitch to that part like that, slip stitch. Okay, and then pull it through, and then pull it through, and then if you want to continue the next, it would be the next, you change 1 or change 2, depend on your project. So this is the round, and then the magic ring will work if you put it more tight. Okay, like that. Voila, so your magic ring, will tighten the hole in the center. So for any project, for the round project like this, the circle project like this, the magic ring will be useful because it's to cover the center, the hole in the center, to make it less visible. There is no gap there. Okay, so let me repeat one more time how to do magic ring. Again, you grab your yarn, pull it through, make it another round, and then remember not too tight, the first one and second one, and then the long tail you grab it with your other finger. Okay, and then insert your hook, bring it to the front and then don't forget that one, and then hold it and then put it through like this, and then you remove your finger, and then your magic ring is ready. Voila, that's it. I hope this tutorial is useful to you or make it easier for you. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.